What's up guys, and welcome back to Wall Street Millennial. Today we're continuing our coverage of the GameStop saga as there have been some extreme developments over the past 24 hours. GameStop shares initially opened higher, reaching an intraday high of $469, but shares soon started tanking as Robinhood banned buying of GameStop shares and fell more than 70% before recovering some of the losses. The mainstream media have been non-stop trying to demonize Wall Street bets and accusing them of market manipulation. These claims are obviously insane and are just an attempt by the media elites to bail out their Wall Street friends who have lost billions shorting GameStop stock. But things have gotten even worse today, with Robinhood banning the buying of GameStop stock in the app. At the time of releasing this video, Robinhood users are only allowed to sell GameStop stock and not allowed to buy. Instead of being a neutral platform for retail investors to trade on, they decided to take the side of the hedge fund billionaires and implemented this buying ban to push GameStop stock down. This is the real market manipulation. They are literally banning people from buying the stock. And being the top retail brokerage with over 13 million users, this is sure to have an impact on GameStop's stock price. This is shocking news from a company whose purported mission is to democratize finance for all. More than half of Robinhood users own GameStop stock, and this move by Robinhood is protecting the short-selling hedge funds at the expense of the retail traders. Think about it, Robinhood users are allowed to sell GameStop stock, but not allowed to buy it. Since retail traders aren't allowed to buy GameStop, who are the shares being sold to? The big institutional Wall Street brokers the hedge funds use haven't imposed any trading restrictions. So the only traders allowed to buy GameStop stock now are the institutional traders like the hedge funds, who are likely buying the stock to cover their short positions. Robinhood literally rigged the game in favor of the hedge funds at the expense of their own customers. Wall Street Bets users are obviously infuriated about this market manipulation on the part of Robinhood. User Lee Kelly points out how ridiculous the app's policy is. He tried to put in an order to buy one share of GameStop, but they didn't let him, saying his order exceeded the maximum shares allowed to be purchased. User Lunar Death God encourages fellow Wall Street Bets users to file an SEC complaint against Robinhood for market manipulation. This post got 99% upvoted. User Doesn't Matter encourages a class action lawsuit against Robinhood. Robinhood makes its money by selling its customers' info to high-frequency traders who front-run their trades and shave a little bit off each trade. In December, the SEC charged Robinhood for misleading their customers about this practice and failing to provide adequate execution on trades. So it looks like Robinhood has been on the side of hedge funds all along. They brand themselves as being for the people, even naming themselves after the English folk hero Robin Hood, who stole from the rich and gave to the poor. As it turns out, this was all just a marketing gimmick, and when push comes to shove, Robinhood chooses the hedge funds over the retail investor. Many people are incensed by today's developments, and rightfully so. We'll be making more videos about the topic as new developments happen, so stay tuned. We recently started a second channel called Wall Street Millennial Research, dedicated to providing you with research about the hottest trending stocks on the internet today. We just published our first video on the new channel today, so check it out, link in the description below. These are obviously unprecedented and scary times for retail investors. The reigning elites are trying everything they can to stop the power of Wall Street bets, but this effort may backfire as the forum has exploded, now hosting 4.9 million degenerates, a 3 million member increase since a week ago. We will continue to monitor the situation closely as it unfolds and give you updates whenever new news is reported. Thank you all so much for watching. Wall Street Millennial, signing out.